Good morning from Bali Kuta, Indonesia, guys. Today, video vlog specially exclusively from Kuta. It's been a while when I was here. Many people asking for that. So why not? It's 9:30 at morning. So I'm gonna show you around what's going on in Kuta at morning, because afternoon usually is, normal stuff, regular stuff. I vlog regularly afternoon, so why not to show you at morning. And I'm just heading now into area of Grand Ina and Kuta beach. Directions now. So that's the morning situation, just at the front of Grand Ina. Hotel is open as always, regular stuff. Oops, I nearly fall down. You have to be careful how you step because of stuff like this. Well, the huge construction site is on the Kuta beach main entrance. Well, this shop with the ice cream is closed still. I'm gonna get quickly to the Kuta beach because check this out. What is going on? Actually, seems like a one big huge construction zone. Meanwhile, the main street to Kuta to Beachwalk is pretty busy. I'm gonna hit there soon probably. But first, let's have a look what's going on the Kuta beach today, because seems like a lot of is going on. Wow, actually, huge construction at the front. They're building something. This is the rubbish truck. I'm gonna let him pass through first. And let's see if some bars are still open on the Kuta beach for everyone who are interested. Yeah, they are open actually. But it seems like very quiet because they are actually between construction zones everywhere. On the left, on the right, at the front. There is the art market, what is also under construction. Here is Tini, I think. That seems like lifeguards. Very loud construction. They're building something here. And yeah, that's overall, that's how does it look like. I'm gonna show you quickly. Yeah, the beach is at least very nice, not so busy. Yeah, I'm gonna say hi to Tini. How you doing? How you doing, brother?
Good, how are you, brother?
Good. How you doing? All good?
Yeah, good.
Anyways, in simple words, they're gonna make improvements so the high tide's not gonna taking off the beach, because already the beach was small. It's gonna be rocky like in the Discovery Mall area. There was like this one, and here gonna be actually the same in the nearest future when you guys gonna come. And meanwhile, this is the main junction of Kuta beach. Taxi honking as always. I'm gonna show you a little bit Kuta into direction of Poppies 1, Poppies 2, Kuta bags and Beachwalk. And do you still remember when during the pandemic times they blocked this entrance with the wall that people was saying it looks like a Berlin Wall? They demolished it obviously, but check this out. This is what left. There was the wall over here. I don't know if many of you remember that, but I was filming about this one. It was crazy times actually in Bali. At the time all was closed, beach was closed. Even they barricade the wall and stuff like this one. Meanwhile, well, situation in the beach definitely better than it was. This is just the memory, thankfully. And as you can see, actually more and more tourists walking around Kuta at morning. That's also very good. Very nice, positive views. Heading now closer to the hotel. I'm gonna show you characteristic spots on the street. He also seems doing some little reconstructions of the wall, but I'm not sure actually what they are doing with the wall. Many drivers here trying to sell you something. This is Hard Rock Hotel. They've been also making some refurbishments. Yo, what's up? How you doing? The one of the drivers recognized me, Mr. Monkey, so happy. I'm so popular in Kuta, I guess. So they're making a nice parking actually over here, which is actually good. I don't know if the wall gonna exist because they're just refurbishing the wall. So they're not gonna demolish the wall. So the wall probably always gonna be here forever in Kuta. I hoped a little bit as they're gonna remove this wall and they're gonna make a view of the ocean from the street, similar like in other countries, but maybe not possible here. And this is the Mercure Kuta beach hotel. Also looks like this one. Some people already, some cars, some little buses. Not so bad. Currently in Kuta at morning looks a little bit kinda busier than I was last time. I mean, at night, of course, it's always kind of busy, but at morning, last time when I was here, was pretty quiet, but also so much kind of construction refurbishments is going on, but seems like Kuta slowly is waking up, which is pretty good improvement in my opinion. And I'll check this out. There are some people walking around, which is very good. And this is the money changer. This one is actually with the, you know, prices like this one for everyone who are interested. Yeah, that's how it's going. What's going on? Fun boxing, little bit like in Phuket. Yo. This is like the same thing what I seen last time in Phuket. I forgot where is actually this company. I will rewatch later on. You will see. And meanwhile, this is the Kuta bags, also an entrance to the legendary Poppies Lane 1 in Kuta. Here we go. Not so bad. Taxi drivers, local boys trying to offer you transportation options. Everybody trying to make some bread. Money to put the bread on the table. I mean, and this is the Poppies one. Also seems like some people staying in the area of Poppies Lane 1. And meanwhile, that's the 360 view. What's going on around? Well, that's how does it look like. And that's now is like something like this one, a mini market. Previously was famous McDonald's here, which is gone. I make a special video in 2020 when it was gone, obviously. Yeah, and this guy have a nice tune in the car. Overall situation looks like this one. Flapjacks and Kuta sea view. Overall, it's pretty enjoyable to walk here at morning in Kuta. It's 9:30, 9:45, 9:35 exactly to be exact. Weather condition today is not so bad. It's not rainy, which is very happy with that. I'm very lucky. Tourists walking around. Also, it seems like Kuta attract the younger generations again, or maybe today only, I don't know. It's getting really not so bad. It's been just a while when I was here at morning, of course. Yeah, here we go. This is Jalan Poppies 2. The entrance, well, 50-50 with the businesses. This lady didn't give me the permission to walk. She must be in a rush somewhere, going to work or something. Have to forgive her, it's normal. People in Bali likes to be in rush in general. So yeah, just curious about what they're actually doing with this wall. I think because there was like a not really nice piece of greenery, they're gonna make it more nicer. That's pretty that's it what they are doing with this one, I think. I'm gonna go back to Kuta Square, show you a little bit around there and the progress of the art market in Kuta. Here, regarding the beach walk and Kuta ocean front, it's like how it is. It's not so bad like for 9:30 at morning. Definitely better than it was last time. So improvements all the time. Also, Kuta for at least last 30 years, it was the place when you are a newcomer to Bali, first time ever coming to Bali, and you are Google where to stay in Bali. The Kuta was always #1 on the list, on the Google and everywhere, and all the recommendations. I think currently is the same. If somebody is coming for the very first time to Bali, still preferring to stay in Kuta, which is actually not really bad location for the first timers to come. This is of course also, as Kuta is actually a very affordable place to be, especially at the beginner, and very central location. You can find so many nice hotels very close to the ocean or even directly facing the ocean. You just have to cross the street. You know, it's close to go everywhere except the nighttime where it's the big traffic. And it's also few new hotels around. Canggu is definitely for digital nomads, for the expats. You know, it's like later people probably when they're coming for the first time in Bali and they explore Bali, they're moving to different direction. But the first time, Kuta is probably the good one. Still good place to be for the very first time. But if I will have to recommend my personal choice for the first time in Bali, even I first time stay in Kuta, in Tuban, to be honest. I will recommend you probably stay in Seminyak, so you're not gonna get disappointed even if you don't like something, and you still can expect pretty the same what is in Kuta or similar vibe. If you go to Canggu, it's maybe too hard for the beginners, and Sanur may be too boring for some of you and stuff like this, so I think Seminyak. In Grand Ina in Kuta they have some chess competition, so if you're interested, maybe you can have a look if you're in Bali right now. This is the oldest part of Kuta. Somewhere over there on this road in 1970s only was dirt road, and the Warung Made was established. Some tourists walking here. This is the famous KFC and the Kuta Square itself. I'm gonna show you a little bit around Kuta Square. Currently it's pretty deserted, I could say. It's pretty sad also, as this is the oldest part of Kuta so far, because more closer to the airport is actually Tuban already. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Bagus Watch, all of this stuff is still open for everyone who are interested, and also Mertasari is gone forever and McDonald's is open. So if you ask about Matahari, actually, Matahari Mall, it's gone forever here in this location in Kuta Square, but in the Bali Mall Galleria or in Denpasar it's still open. Only this outlet in Kuta is gone, actually. McDonald's still is open here. That's actually a little bit big surprise, as the amount of businesses here who went bankrupt is more than 50%, but McDonald's survived. So they still believe as this area have a potential then. And here you go, this is the corner where is the Ramayana Hotel, I forgot, Ramayana or something like this one. One of the oldest hotels here in Kuta as well, and this is the site of the art market in Kuta, the brand new one. The progress looks like this one. They're building this pretty fast, similarly to art market in Ubud, and the construction gonna look like this one. So here you go. I don't know if the access to the beach is allowed, but they're building this pretty quick, and that's how it's gonna look when they're gonna finish it. And meanwhile, the situation here next to, I think it's Ramayana Hotel. Forgot. Yeah, Ramayana. Actually, my memory is still good. I'm gonna show you a little bit of this street. Yeah, the big restaurants. They're usually more alive, during the nighttime. But I wanna show you. But there's no footpath as always. Have to be very careful. Everywhere is reconstruction. This area of Bali was extremely deserted during the pandemic times, and almost everything here, not almost, 100% of businesses here were closed, but seems like now they are returning slowly. Even this market here is open again. It was closed, Chochali, as you could park the car here and nobody was here. So yeah, happy days. Well, but life in Kuta in Bali is slowly going back to any kind of maybe not normal, but better situation, better times. It's 9:45, actually it's 9:50, almost 10 o'clock, and it's pretty hot in Bali. If it's not rainy, like now, this morning, it's a little bit cloudy. The big humid level and the heat makes you feel already like it's very hot and you are sweating a lot. But it's still, well, actually I will prefer if it will be light rain. Maybe not like a heavy rain with the floods here, but the light rain will be better. This is the rainy season, looks like this one and feels like this one. It's pretty hard for you to your work. Anyways, I hope so you enjoyed my video from Kuta today, and I will see you and hear from you tomorrow. As always, see ya. Take care, guys. Thanks.